Do you want to learn how you can make $10 in literally less than 2 minutes? Are you maybe looking for a very easy and quick way to earn money online? Well, say less, because then this video is the perfect one for you. Also, we're sure that you're gonna love to know what this method is, and that you're gonna love to know that this method will not require you any skills or experience in anything. Literally, you can be a beginner, a newbie in the money making and online industry. This method is also absolutely free, even if you're just a student, if you're a retired worker, maybe looking for an extra income stream. This video is perfect and you're going to be able to earn some extra bucks. Now, we want you to pay attention and really follow the steps so that you won't get lost or confused along today's video. And don't worry, you're not going to be recording yourself talking, or you're not going to be buying anything or downloading any apps on your phone or your laptop. You're not even going to need any money to sign up for a subscription. All that we can promise you guys is this is actually going to be super duper easy to help you make money online, and all by leaving reviews on the website that we're going to be talking for today. Now, going back, you again will not sell or anything. This method has nothing to do with that at all. You're actually just going to be leaving reviews, right? All you have to do is evaluate some content and then leave like very honest opinions on all the types of software, and it can already make you a lot of money. And we are 100% sure that it's only going to take like less than 2 minutes of your time, especially if you already know like what you're going to be reviewing, or you already have like a little bit of knowledge on it. But of course, even if you haven't done this before, this is still completely fine, because that is exactly what we're here for. We're going to teach you how to write amazing reviews in no time, even on stuff that you don't know. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish, so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part, so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online, so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So let's go ahead to the website, and it's called g2.com. And basically, this website is where people leave reviews on different softwares and apps. And there's a lot of them, by the way, that you can choose from. And every single day, people like you and I, we see like reviews on different softwares and apps and websites as well. Over here, you're going to see a lot of different software categories too. And you're going to see on your right side that there's a category for the most popular softwares as of the time. So there's project management, video conferencing, e-commerce platforms, marketing, automations, accounting, and many more. So basically, all you have to do is just choose like a category that you're familiar with or that you want to write about, so that there's no problem or anything when it comes to reviewing it. And the website, it actually has a lot of reviews on a lot of different softwares and a lot of different categories. And let's tell you this, hear us out, okay? The best part about the website is why you want to use it in the first place. It's obviously because for every single review that you leave, you are gonna get paid. Now, that's a little bit hard to believe, but just watch this video, right? And then try it out yourself. Open your laptop or your computer, whatever your device that you're currently on, visit the website and just see for yourself, right? To see is to believe. So I would want you guys to try that out first. Now, we know some of you still find it hard to believe that you can actually earn with the website, because just imagine that leaving a review about like an application or a software, and then in return you're gonna get money. That is kind of unbelievable, but we also thought it was a little bit skeptical before. It was a little bit as a skeptic, but now we believe it because we've been using it, and honestly, it's the great thing ever. As you can see, using this software, write a review, help over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 make the right choice for their business. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So you're basically going to be creating or writing reviews that's going to help other people improve their businesses. So like a pleasant review from you to help convince and encourage someone to purchase like something from G2. Of course, G2 is going to get a cut or commission from that, and that's why they're going to pay you for leaving your reviews. Now it's already a win-win situation for both the website and you, because you're going to help them earn money, because users will be buying their software using their website, and all those sales or traffic won't be possible without your reviews. We're not going to go over every single feature of the website because we want you guys to focus on how you can maximize your earning from the website. So you can obviously still review some features of the website just to be able to familiarize yourself with the works and everything, and you can actually see and read it for yourself if the website is legit. Now, we want to get to the point and really just describe and make you guys understand the steps. Now let's start by discussing what you're gonna have to do when you go onto the website. First thing you have to do is go to the most bottom part until you reach the section and click on write a review over here. Now clicking on this button will bring you to this page. So we're gonna walk you through the entire process just so you guys can see what has to be done. Now, this is really the basic first step when making money through this website. Select any of the categories, choose the category in line with the software you'd like to review. You can go for sales, software development, HR, marketing, maybe even advertising. It really does not matter what you pick, but if you happen to choose any of the given softwares offered in one of these categories, then you're obviously going to want to pick something that you're already familiar with. So don't worry about it too much, because even while you're choosing random items to review, you're still going to be able to make money in the end anyway. Once you've selected a category, you're now going to choose a software that you want to review. And if you're going to choose a category wherein you've already have a software that you've already used before, then you're going to want to leave reviews on those items first. Now, in that way, you're going to be able to give an honest and in-depth review of the software that you're going to use and, evaluate. Of course, you're going to get paid afterwards, so don't worry about it. Now, in case you are literally unfamiliar with any of the items, then just select one at random. For example, we're going to choose this one. And on this page, you're going to have to click on review over here. And from there, all you have to do is continue to log in or create a brand new account. And for a quicker and easier sign-up process, you're also going to have to register, via LinkedIn maybe, or Google your business email. We definitely recommend that you do it through your email though, so you won't have to enter in all of your personal details and information, because it's going to take a lot of more time than just the email. So once you've logged in, you're going to have to do is still the same process, okay, like we've gone over. Go to the software you've selected. They're going to ask you some questions like, how likely are you to recommend this software to a friend or a colleague? And you're going to simply choose between the number 0, which is the lowest, which means not likely, and 10, which is the highest, which is very likely. Now, another trick that we want you guys to know about is that, and that will work wonders for you when leaving reviews, is that you're going to want to go on Google and type in the name of the software that you are currently reviewing, and just type in reviews next to that. And this is now going to show you other websites that include reviews about the specific software that you are evaluating. And you can check those search results out on your own and actually base your review on those. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So this is going to allow you to write and leave reviews on a product that you've never even tried or you've ever even came across, right? And this is how you're going to make a lot of money, by leaving these reviews. After choosing a number between 0 to 10, they're now going to ask you to describe your experience with the software that you had just tested. But first things first, you're going to have to create like a little title for your review, and then you're going to proceed to write the review on the product. And you can just say what you love about the best about it. Now, you're going to pull up any review site on Google to see what everyone else thinks about it. And after reading some of the reviews, just summarize all of those, right? Make it into your own review, write it in your own words. It's very important that you do not copy paste, because they're gonna notice and they're probably not gonna pay you for it because it's plagiarism. So don't be careful though. Do not plagiarize. Make it into your own, really make it different, okay? And now that you've made that, you're basically ready to go. And as you can see, you're gonna have to write what you like the best about the product and what you dislike about it, or what has to be changed or altered or taken out from it. You could also mention like problems that you've experienced with the software. And remember guys, the only question that's the same for every software you're doing a review on are what you like and dislike about it. The rest is going to be very different, and the kind of questions you'll see depend on what item you are evaluating. So once you've written everything that you're required to fill out, you can finally submit your review. And for every single review you've written and submitted, you're gonna earn between $10 to $20, which is insane. And that's a lot of money for just writing reviews. Now, it doesn't take a lot of time, 2 minutes or less, 5 minutes max. And the fact that it doesn't even require much time and effort and does not require you any skills or experience is really an amazing method. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.